Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by making sure your device is signed into the correct Apple ID. This is essential because the account is the anchor. Once done, open the Facebook app or navigate to Facebook. Calm and sign in. Make sure you use the account you want to link. If prompted, confirm two-factor authentication on your trusted device. This prevents accidental account mismatch. Next, navigate to Facebook settings to locate the section where you can connect external accounts. We'll act there in the next step. You now find Account Center or App/Website settings and choose to add an account. This is where cross-service links live. When you pick Apple as the provider, Facebook will prompt an authentication flow. Enter your Apple ID credentials and complete 2FA if asked. Make sure to review permissions. Sharing name, email, or profile info, you can limit what's shared. Once approved, Facebook will show a connected account entry. If you see multiple Apple ID, pick the one matching your device. Finish by verifying the link in Facebook's Account Center and adjusting sync or data sharing preferences so only desired details pass between accounts. If the connection doesn't show, log out of both Facebook and Apple services, then sign back in. This often forces a refresh. Make sure Apple's Sign In with Apple isn't blocking the link. Revoke and reauthorize from AppleID. Apple. Calm if needed. One key troubleshooting tip. Clear app cache or use a different browser to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.